Good morning, children. Welcome to your Dignity class, children. Today I am going to start chapter 2. So, the name of the chapter is Not Saints but Saint Soldiers Now. Now, Jahangir, the emperor of Mughal emperor, he believed that the fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, was danger to Islam. Now, the emperor was eager to force all the non-Muslims to become Muslims. He wanted that all the people should become Muslims. But the Guru's teaching, they were causing the Muslims to give up Islam and become Sikhs. So he thought that the Islam has to be saved. So he ordered that the Guru should be arrested and must be put to death. So hence his orders were obeyed. The Guru was arrested. He was tortured for many days, and at last he was thrown in the Ravi river. And so when his death, Guru Arjan Dev Ji's death, spread, everyone was very sad. He was the first Guru who died for the sake of religion. So after that, now somebody had to be made seated on the throne. Now Guru Har Gobind Singh Ji, he was very sad when he heard the news. He was the sixth Sikh Guru. When he heard about the death of Guru Arjan Dev Ji, he said that let the Granth Sahib be read and Baba Buddha will do the reading. Let the Ragis, means musicians, sing Guru's song. Now, after the prayers were offered, so now the ceremony of sitting of Guru Har Gobind was done, and everything was done by Baba Buddha. Guru Har Gobind took his seat, and Baba Buddha, he placed before him a seli. Now, what is a seli, children? A seli is a woolen cord or string which holy men used to wear it as a necklace. Now, the first 5 Sikh Guru, they used seli as a necklace. Now, when Baba Buddha placed the seli before Guru Har Gobind Singh, he said that times have changed. Now, the seli will not do now. Now, the seli suits only the saint or holy men who want to worship God in peace. But now, at present, there is no peace. Our enemies are finishing us. So, we have to protect ourselves. We have to protect ourselves. Now, see, children, this is the picture of Baba Buddha offering seli to the Guru. Now he said that, the Guru said that the Sikh has to be saved. They can't only worship God. They have to be soldiers also. So hence they have to pick up the sword. So sword is the mark of Guruship. Now the sword is going to lead you in the times of war as well as in the time of peace. So the leader has to guide people in the matter of peace also and in the matter of war also. So as a mark of this twofold duty, he said that he is going to wear 2 swords. Now, see, children, Guru Har Gobind, he has put the 2 swords. The 2 swords which were called, the right side will be called as the sword of Piri. This means that the leader will guide you in religious matter, and the left side will be the sword of Miri, which means it will guide you in the world of worldly matters. That was why he said that his father had trained him as a soldier too. So now onwards the Sikh will also learn how to use the horses and how to use the arms. So Baba Buddha agreed to the Guru. Now Guru Har Gobind, he had put 2 swords, the swords of Miri and Piri. So he was called Miri Piri the Malik, or the Sikh's guide in worldly as well as in religious matter. Hope children you have understood the chapter. I am sending you the assignments. Do it and read the chapter very nicely. Stay safe. Thank you children.